blockchain and traditional databases. They both do the same, but they both do the same thing in a very different way. They both store data. They both allow you to read data. They both allow you to see the history of data. But there's fundamental differences between the two. So a traditional database stores data, and if and when there is an update to that particular part of the data, then it overwrites the old data, which means that you always have, in the end, the current data set available for any workload that you need, but you don't necessarily have a history of how that data has evolved over time. Blockchains also store data, and they also allow data to be updated, but they do it in a very different way, and in a way that the original data, the original record, will not be overwritten, but there will be a new record created with a new timestamp, a later timestamp, which means that even though if you search for data that is current, you'll always find the most recent version of that data stored. But if you want, you also have the history of that same data over time and back available to you, which is a unique proposition that a blockchain offers in the world of data storage in databases.